If you're not a South Indian and not a Malayali, you would not have heard of this crazy snack that is highly addictive. How can I not share this recipe on this channel? Now there are multiple ways to do this Pazham Pori recipe, but this is the version that I stick to. Now it's been a long time since a video was uploaded. So welcome to El's Alchemy and let's get started on Pazham Pori Kerala style or plantain fry Kerala style or Nendran banana bhaji. For this Pazham Pori recipe we need plantains or Nendran bananas. These need to be fully ripe. Now I would prefer it to be mostly on the overripe side than just ripe. The flour measurements are for 8 bananas. I use 1 cup of all-purpose flour. To this I add 1/4 cup of rice flour. Then 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then we add some water to make a batter. How much is needed is dependent on the flour used. So I'm showing you the different stages of adding water. Initially the batter is tight, so I add some more water and mix it again to get to the right consistency. Something that looks like this. Now we need to rest the batter for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's get the bananas peeled. It's a personal preference as to how many pieces can you make from one plantain. Now some people make 3 while I go for 6 pieces from each plantain. Now that all the bananas are peeled, let's get the pan with the oil ready. I'm using the avocado oil because it has high smoke point. Now you can use any vegetable oil or sunflower oil. Traditionally, coconut oil is used, but I don't like using it for frying bananas. Before we start frying, add baking powder for crispiness. Now add this only when you're about to fry the plantains. It defeats the purpose if you add it while the batter is resting. Take the bananas, dunk it in the batter and drop them in the oil. Leave them alone for 2 to 3 minutes so that you get a crispy brown color on one side. Then you flip to the other side and leave it alone for another couple of minutes. Once the whole batch of plantains are done, you would sometimes end up with leftover batter. Just add some sugar and mix it well until they are dissolved. Fry them. You won't believe how tasty it is. You gotta flip this over quickly because they tend to brown faster due to sugar. Now if you like the video, can you please hit the like button? It would be nice to know that someone likes my videos. So here are my kids checking out the Pazham Pori just like it's the first time. And I shall see you on another video. Take care.
That's a lot. I think the biggest one ever. I mean, longest one maybe.
How is it?
Good. Good.